At Northwood, recycling used paper into tissue and towel products has always been at the core of who we are and what we do, but we're not stopping there. Introducing the Green Loop, where we don't just make and supply your paper products, we reclaim them too. Our service partner collects used paper towels and tissue stubs before sorting and returning to our mill to be recycled, creating a seamless cycle of sustainability. And we don't stop at paper. Old dispensers and plastics in our products can find new life through the Green Loop recycling process. Every element repurposed. More than just recycling, the Green Loop helps conserve resources, and together with our detailed reporting, it is a powerful visual demonstration of your environmental commitment whilst helping you meet your environmental targets. Ready to make a difference? Let's close the loop together. Green Loop by Northwood.